Okay, dear friends, today we are going to discuss about, that is lesson number 6, using primitives. What do you mean by primitives? In the previous chapter or in the previous lesson, you have learned the basics of logo command, logo software, how to install it, what are the different commands, and how to use it, the forward, backward, left, right, top, button, and pen up, pen down. Okay, then command input box where you can write down your commands, everything. So many things you can learn, or so many things you have learned in the previous lesson. In this chapter you will learn about some other primitives. Okay, just recall the area where the turtle draw the figure or diagram is called as the main screen. जहाँ पे जो एरिया है जहाँ पे तुम्हारा टोटल या ट्राइंगल शेप है ना, that we are saying as turtle. Okay, that is called main screen. Let's move. Hide turtle. Hide turtle means sometime your turtle is going to be or required to be hide. That is the command, and for that the command is ht. ht is nothing but hide command. This command hides the turtle from screen. It helps to view a clear drawing. Okay, it helps to view a clear drawing. मतलब तुम ड्राइंग करने के बाद if you are using your ht command, then automatically except your figure the turtle is going to be hide, means only the figure only you can able to see. Next, fd 100 means, you know, last time we discussed what is the function of, or what is the function of command fd, rt, fd, rt. Okay, so here one small example is written for you. So if you will work accordingly, your figure you will get like this. That is figure number 6.1, hiding turtle after typing a program. Once your completion of, once your program is over, then you can just use the command, that is ht. The turtle is going to be disappear, means hide. So the figure number 6.1, how it looks like, similarly you will get that figure. Logo files are given the extension logo, LGO. Okay, show turtle means what? The command is st. If you are using the st command, then again it will be appear, or again will be displaying on your main screen. This command orders the hidden turtle to go back on the screen. मतलब दोबारा स्क्रीन में तुम्हें दिखाई देगा टर्टल. Let us try. टाइप st एंड प्रेस द एंटर की. तुम एक बार st कमांड टाइप करो अपना कमांड इनपुट बॉक्स में, देन डेफिनेटली द टर्टल इज गोइंग टू बी अपीयर ऑन द स्क्रीन, मेन स्क्रीन. ओके, bringing the turtle back on the screen. Then next is the clear screen, that is the command is cs. Okay, so what do you mean by clear screen? Clear screen primitive is used to clear the complete picture drawn on the main screen. मतलब तुम अपना जो मेन स्क्रीन है वहाँ पे जो भी पिक्चर डिजाइन किया है या ड्रॉ किया है, दैट इज टोटली गोइंग टू बी इरेज बाय यूजिंग द क्लियर स्क्रीन कमांड. ओके, cs. ओके, इट ब्रिंग्स द टर्टल बैक टू द सेंटर ऑफ द स्क्रीन. मतलब एट दैट टाइम इट विल इरेज ऑल द पिक्चर्स, डायग्राम्स, figure, everything is going to be erased on the main screen, and the turtle is going to be center. Let us go for one example. Clear screen, if you are press enter, automatically everything is going to be clear. Next, what is the clear text? The ct primitive is used to clear the text present in the recall list box and command input box. So if you are using the ct command, that is the in the command input box, whatever history or whatever text you have written, that is everything is going to be erased. Only the text I am talking about. If you want to erase the text, then the command is, that is ct. Then csct means what? What is the use of csct? To use more than one primitive at a time. मतलब ये दोनों अलग अलग प्रिमिटिव्स है. इफ तुम दोनों प्रिमिटिव्स को एक के साथ यूज करोगे, देन सी व्हाट विल बी हैपन. टू यूज मोर देन वन प्रिमिटिव्स एट ए टाइम, वी मस्ट लीव ए स्पेस बिटवीन देम। तो हम लोग क्या है, दो प्रिमिटिव्स को यूज़ कर सकते हैं प्रोवाइडेड both the primitives you have some space. Using CSCT primitives together will clear whatever is drawn on the main screen and commands in the commander window. Means individual function will be work accordingly. Okay, CS means clear the screen and CT means clear the text. Individual work will be work accordingly but at a time. It will also bring back to the turtle to its the home position. मतलब turtle अपना original position को भी आ जाएगा. That is called home position. Then what is the use of the pen command? Many a times while sketching you need to lift a pencil from the point to the other. Suppose we have to draw parallel lines. Sometimes क्या होता है, sometimes क्या हो रहा है, parallel lines we need to draw. First we will draw the lines AB, we go to point C, then draw in the CD line. Notice we have lifted the pencil. So pen up means pen command means what? Suppose हम लोग A से B line draw किए, so again another line we need to draw C to D. So A to B once you have done, again you have to go for C to D. Obviously पेन को हम लोग उठाएंगे तो तब जाके C to D हम लोग ड्रॉ कर सकते हैं ना. तो सिमिलरली where we have lifted the pencil, first we have lifted the pencil at point B and moved without drawing anything till point C. मतलब जब हम लोग B ड्रॉ किया तब जाके हम अपना पेंसिल को लिफ्ट करके उठा के C तक गया, and in between B and C we have nothing to do anything. Then from point C we have to put it down and draw the line till point D. Okay, similarly simple steps. In the same way to draw such lines in logo, we use the pen commands. A turtle have a hidden pen that enables to draw while moving. You can lift off and put down the pen as you want. मतलब जैसे हम लोग पेन में ड्रॉ कर रहे हैं या पेंसिल में ड्रॉ करते हैं दोनों लाइन, एक लाइन ख़त्म होने के बाद अपना पेन को उठा के दूसरा लाइन ड्रॉ करते हैं. सो सिमिलरली इन द लोगो कमांड 150 इज देयर, दैट इज द पेन कमांड. इफ यू आर यूजिंग योर टोटल इज गोइंग टू बी ड्रॉ बोथ द लाइन्स with the hide position. Then pen up. What is the pen up? This command orders the turtle to lift up the pen from the screen. Okay, so pen up command, if you are using, the turtle is going to be lift off the pen from the screen and move without drawing the line on the screen, and move without drawing a line on the screen. The short form of this command is PU. pen up command का क्या है command? That is PU. Okay, if let's see one example. If you are seeing this example, you can able to understand. FD50 PU, FD20. If we'll write down these commands, automatically your figure looks like this. Okay, so similarly in the reverse way, the pen down command. While using pen up command, we have seen the turtle stops drawing on the screen. Suppose we want to draw again. Now what we'll do, we can use pen down or PD command. The command instructs the turtle to put the pen down on the screen and continue dragging. Just reverse operation as I said in the pen off commands. Let us draw two parallel lines. हम लोग कैसे अपना नोटबुक में टू पैरेलल लाइंस ड्रॉ कर रहे हैं. ओके, सिमिलरली बोथ पेन ऑफ एंड पेन डाउन, दैट इज PU and PD, both the primitives or both the commands if you are using, you will get the figure like 6.5, and one example is given to you so that you can easily understand also. Okay, FD40 PU, RT90, FD20, RT90, PD, then FD40. In this way, if you are writing your commands, automatically you will get the figure like 6.5. Okay.